How to write travel blogs in a better ways. Travel bloggers center around themes that employ and support each style of explorer to go learn things around different places. This post is little inside basketball about a travel blogs. It's a follow-up to a semi-progressing arrangement on a travel blog that begin with the post. Proceed with this one and will now end with this video here. To me, the essence of every single online undertaking is an acceptable blog with such a significant number of bloggers out here. So, how do you get and how do you write travel blogs in a better way? Get quality Instagram followers. I have linked down the video description down below to check it out. So let's begin. I generally felt that once I begin composing for gleaming tourism publications, I could loosen up a piece since ID made it. Nope. At that point, I imagined that once I started writing pieces for the New York Times, I could state I was effective. Not at all. Alright, perhaps when I need a book out, distributed by a significant disturbing houses, things would get somewhat simpler for me that I wish. So, 11 ways to improve your travel blogs. Number first, read. Yeah, this is the number one, and whatever point a maturing author asks me how they can improve, it's my first suggestion. This is my first suggestion. What's more, it was all since I was caught up in a great blog and vlogs. And yes, it shifted through me back onto the page in my blog. So, what's the second one? Do it for affection. Yeah, just do it for affection. Third, try not to be joined to a straight composition. You need not create a piece from the start to center to the end. At times, that is not the perfect structure for the story. Certainly, perhaps you have just made the sense of that. Fourth one, tap into your feelings of inspiration and drive. The understudies of mine at certain university who have been best were not generally the most skilled in the class. Yeah, so that be inspirational and drive the knowledge out here. Fifth, attempt to make sense of what get your physique and composing streaming. Allow me to clarify that. I can take a seat at my PC and gaze at a clear word, archive for a considerable length of time, not certain how to begin a story or what to expand on. At that time, I will react to an email from a companion who needs to think about the excursion I am attempting to expand on. Yeah. So, sixth one, see all the parts of narrating. There are the two sorts of travel composing, business and individual vlog, that is called lifestyle diary. In business travel composing, you should make a different piece of the story or a natural part of your insight, from approaches to compose a lead to not card scenes, articles and end. For diary and individual artist and articles, comprehend what account you are going to show there. Yeah. Seventh one, try not to push if your first draft is poor. Yeah, Ernest Hemingway once said the principle of draft of anything is a poo. So try not to push if your first draft is worst or a poo. Yeah. 8. Compose what you know. Don't go for random another articles or vlogs. Yeah. So compose what you know. Start relating to the records that nobody yet you can tell, said the creator Neil Gaiman. Because why? There is reliably for favored columnist over you, and there will reliably be more intelligent essayist or blogger or blogger than you. So compose what you know. 9. Write when you are finished with a draft. Read it so anybody can hear. 10. Travel blogger continuously gets another arrangement of eyes of your composition. Yes, that's true. And finally, the 11th one, at long last, figure out how, how to self alter. Yeah, this is it for today. Hope you guys do enjoy it. And yes, I do have my second channel who is vlogging. I'll be linking down in the description box below. So these are the 11 different strategies from which you can write the travel blogs in a better ways. So thank you for watching. We'll see you next time.